après je gère comme il faut avec ma tête de ricain du sud. Un peu d'huile dans un sac Salomon, tu parles sur nous et les infos remontent. 2012 j'écoutais l'apogée sur...
Alright, so first you're going to need your map. If it's multiple models, it doesn't matter. In my case, I take a free one, so it's one, but multiple works just fine. So create a folder and name it map folder. Put your map inside that folder. Create a part and name it cam part, set its scale to 1 and anchor it and disable the collide. Then create an arrow for your player. You will also need to have to anchor it and disable the collide. You also need to make an enemy arrow. In my case, I'm making a circle, but an arrow works also just fine. Put the enemy arrow inside the replica storage. In Starter GUI, create a screen GUI. Inside it, add a viewport frame, and inside that viewport frame, add a model and name it view item. In the screen GUI, you should also add a local script. We are now ready to code.
I invented sweat, popping bottles, putting supermodels in a cab. Proof, I guess I got my swagger back. Truth, new watch.
To add the map on the viewport, it's pretty easy. We first need to set our variables. We will use run service to update the position of the camera. More on that later. Replica storage for when we need to use the enemy cursor. Players, which will be used for our player, cursor, and enemies. We define our viewport frame and view item. We also get the player character. We then clone everything in the map folder onto the viewport view item model. We define our camera part, which will move the camera. We create a camera, and we also set its FOV to 1 because later it will be very high up. Now, all we have to do is to make the cam part follow the character. It's pretty easy. When you test it, it should work.
Didn't I just tell you? I'm a Cinderella. I dream only things one side. Come on, come on.
Let's now add our player arrow. To do this, we simply need to clone the arrow and put it in the view item, just like the map. Just like the cam part, we have to make it follow the player, except we also add a rotation to the mix.
Half the man you see, maybe that's because you the other half of me. You my number one hit on the line of the charts. I'm a FedEx, my lover, how you sign for my heart. I'm my number one eye, keep you dumb fly. They fresh to death, you life after death. I resurrected my goat, Jesus of Nazareth. Now we fresh as a prince, why they jazzy jet? You don't be saying when they asking questions, and you be giving me my space. You don't be running on my space. You know some other I hate when they violate, but tonight, man, I ain't in the mood for it. Don't matter who wore it, you wore it. Look how you coordinated it, man. That's my favorite. I love the way.
When you try it, you should be able to see the arrow, but mine is too small, so I'll quickly scale it up a bit. For the enemy cursor, it's a bit harder. We need to know the list of players that is not in our game and in our game, which means we have to know when they leave or join. So we just have to create a function that creates a cursor to the name of the new player. And then we use random stepped loop to update the keyframe of the list of the players in game. I almost forgot to add the function for when the player leaves. And there you go, it works.
I'm a Cinderella. Cinderella. I dream